In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure your social media posts are not ignored. I'll show you how to get people talking. I will teach you how to turn those dull tweets and Facebook posts into something your followers want to share with their friends and family. There are a lot of things that you can do to make sure that your posts get noticed and shared, right? The first thing is to post on the right platform. If you're posting on Facebook, then you need to post it on a Facebook page as opposed to a personal profile page. The second thing is timing. When's the best time for me? Is it morning? Is it afternoon? Is it evening? What about weekends versus weekdays? And then there's the content itself. What am I talking about in my content? Am I asking questions, or am I giving people solutions, or am I just sharing my thoughts and opinions on something? And finally, what am I doing with the post? What's the purpose? Do you want it to be funny, informative, inspiring? If it's funny, then you might want to use an image with a cat in it or a meme that has something funny in it, something around those lines. If you want to be informative, you might want to use an example of something that happened and how people reacted to the event. If you want the post to be inspirational, then maybe get some quotes from famous people or even just motivational quotes from yourself. If all else fails, there's always a good old standby, an image of a cat saying something hilarious. These are just a few tips to help you get started or maybe help you overcome some creative block that you might have. I hope I was of some help to you. If you enjoyed the video and got some value out of it, you know, give me a like or thumbs up on it or something like that. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for your time and for listening. Have a great day.